Hey y'all, Chef Chadwick Boyd here. One of the things I love about NatureSweet tomatoes is their versatility. You can eat them wonderfully as a fresh snack. They're beautiful in cooking, but they're also really delicious in drinks. And today I'm gonna make a drunken cherry tomato using the Divines that's gonna bring out that wonderful summertime flavor that we can drink all throughout the year. Come with me in the kitchen, let's make some drinks. I'm gonna start with my drunken cherry tomatoes, and the ingredients are really simple. I'm gonna take a toothpick and just prick each one of the cherry tomatoes. And I love using the Divines here because they have that wonderful garden fresh flavor. I'm gonna drop that into a shallow bowl where I already have some table sugar, 2 sprigs of fresh cilantro, and then cover this with about 2 cups of mezcal, just enough to cover the tomatoes. You could use gin, vodka. Cover this with plastic wrap, put it in the refrigerator, and tomorrow we're ready to enjoy them as garnish on all kinds of drinks. So my drunken mezcal cherry tomatoes are ready. They're so delicious. And I'm gonna pair them with a refreshing tomato cucumber cooler. I'm gonna process up some Divines with some cucumber until it's smooth. Then I'm gonna strain it over a bowl and then put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or an hour. The tomato cucumber juice has chilled. I'm gonna pour it over ice in a shaker. Add in some gin. You can add vodka or more mezcal if you like. I'm gonna give it a really good shake and then pour it over ice. To finish, I'm gonna add a little bit of flake salt. For kick, some hot sauce. I like some extra. And our delicious Divines drunken in mezcal. That tastes like summertime any time of year.